If you are new here, subscribe channel, it's free and helps us to create more videos. Let's start. Quiz number 1. Who is credited with inventing the first practical automobile, often referred to as the motor wagon, in 1886? Right answer is Carl Benz. Quiz number 2. In which country was the world's first mass-produced car, the Model T, introduced by Henry Ford in 1908? Right answer is United States. Quiz number 3. The Ford Model T is often associated with a specific color. What color was it most commonly painted? Right answer is black. Quiz number 4. Which automotive company is known for producing the first assembly line cars, with significantly reduced production time and costs? Right answer is Ford. Quiz number 5. During the mid-20th century, which event transformed the American automotive industry by promoting car design and innovation? Right answer is the space race. Quiz number 6. The 1973 oil crisis had a significant impact on the automobile industry. What did it lead to? Right answer is a shift towards smaller, more fuel-efficient cars. Quiz number 7. In recent years, what type of car technology has gained popularity for its environmental benefits and energy efficiency? Right answer is electric vehicles, EV. Quiz number 8. What innovation in car technology has led to safer and more autonomous driving, with features like adaptive cruise control and self-parking? Right answer is Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, ADAS. Quiz number 9. Which company is known for producing high-performance sports cars, such as the Porsche 911 and Porsche Boxster? Right answer is Porsche. Quiz number 10. What current trend in the automotive industry focuses on creating self-driving cars that can operate without human intervention? Right answer is autonomous vehicles. Quiz number 11. In the 1950 and 1960, American car manufacturers introduced powerful, stylish cars with V8 engines and a focus on speed. What is this era of automotive history commonly called? Right answer is muscle car era. Quiz number 12. What term is commonly used to describe the process of designing and building custom cars with distinctive and often exaggerated features? Right answer is hot rodding. Quiz number 13. Which American automaker is known for producing iconic off-road vehicles such as the Jeep Wrangler? Right answer is Jeep. Quiz number 14. What innovation in the 21st century has made it possible for cars to connect to the internet and provide a range of features such as navigation, entertainment, and remote diagnostics? Right answer is Telematics. Quiz number 15. Which electric car company, founded by Elon Musk, has gained attention for its innovative vehicles, including the Model S and Model 3? Right answer is Tesla. Quiz number 16. What term is used for a concept in which multiple forms of transportation, such as cars, bicycles, and public transit, are integrated into a single network for easy and efficient travel? Right answer is multimodal transportation. Quiz number 17. The use of alternative fuels such as compressed natural gas, CNG, and hydrogen fuel cells is a part of which automotive trend? Right answer is sustainable transportation. Quiz number 18. Which luxury car brand is known for its high-end vehicles, including the Phantom and the Ghost? Right answer is Rolls-Royce. Quiz number 19. What is the term used to describe a car that can be driven on both roadways and off-road terrain, designed for rugged and versatile use? Right answer is SUV, Sport Utility Vehicle. Quiz number 20. What is the primary goal of the Vision Zero initiative in the automotive industry? Right answer is to reduce traffic accidents and fatalities.